variant is 2 times of log x plus 2 times of log x squared plus 2 times of log s cube dot 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 2 log x power n, base not given. Simplify. First, if you look at the problem, what is the common quantity? Which number is figuring in all? If I ask, you have to say 2 is a common number, sir. First term 2 is present. Second term 2 is present. Third term 2 is present. Therefore, each term you look as it is. Look at each term. Each term you have 2. So, first we can take 2 out. Now you write problem is equal to each term contains 2. Take out. If we take 2 out, first 2 is a common. Some student log common. You cannot take LOG letter. Can you take LOG letter out? Inside x square will you write? When I say log 2 plus log 4. Now LOG common, sir. LOG 2 plus 4 will you write? You should not take letters common, you should not take. What is the number, quantity? First look at the problem. 2 is a common number, you can take out. After taking this step you have. Look each log x square whole power rule, log x cube whole power rule. Inside the bracket 2 will be as it is. Log x, 2 log x. Listen, after I will give sufficient time to copy it. Then immediately I want to erase it. First thoughts, how to get analytical thoughts. The thought, provocating thought we used to say, provocating the thoughts. Here you have to get idea, how to get the answer. Thoughts is important. Here what thoughts you should have. This answer you have to simplify. Simplify means single answer you have to tell. Simplest form you have to tell. First common number. First step, common number 2, you can take out. Afterwards, look at the inside. Whole power rule idea you have to get. The moment you look at the step, you will get. All idea you won't get. Step by step you will get. One step 2 is taken, mean afterwards you are getting idea whole power rule. First you are not getting. Second step you will be getting. Here what is the common? Log x is common. Here log x. Here log x. Here log x. So log x you can take out. LOG alone you cannot take. Log x I am taking. These 3 steps you write now. Neatly you write. Problem is equal to, problem is very lengthy. Instead of writing the problem, what I have written, problem is equal to 2 is a common number, take it out. Afterwards I am writing after taking 2. Log x is common, take out. These are the first 3 steps you have to understand. Here at a future problem like this appears, first your thought should be like this. Common number we have to take, rest we have to, which formula we have to apply. Step 1 English, step 2, step 3, step 4. inside the bracket 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Before these two you can cancel. I will teach natural series, arithmetic progression chapter I will teach. Until then you accept the answer. 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. What is answer mean? N, next number n plus 1 by 2. This is a formula. Sum of the first n natural number. What is a natural number? Not necessary for you off the record. Natural numbers mean numbers used for counting purposes. LSS definition. As in the book I am not teaching. Numbers that are used for counting. Counting the words, counting the heads, counting the lights, counting the halls, counting the rooms, counting the patient, counting. While counting, first number we are using 1. Nobody will count 0. When I ask you to count how many students are in the classroom, I mean, first you will start with 1, 2, 3. You won't start first with 0. So 1. After 1.1 you won't say, next to 2. After 2, next to 3 you will say 2.3 sir. No one will say. Therefore, numbers that are used for counting purposes are called natural number. 0 is not a natural number. Natural number is always a positive integer. 0 is also a positive integer. So I have to say positive integer, positive plus integer whole number. Positive integer except 0. 0 is a positive integer except, omit. That is called natural number. Natural numbers are numbers used for counting purposes. We are starting with 1, 2, 3, 4. We never used to say minus 1, minus 5, 1.5, 2.3, minus, we won't say. We will always start with 1, next to 2, 3, likewise. So 1 to 10, what is answer mean? 10. 1 to 10 means last number 10. 10, next number 11 by 2, 55. 1 to 40, last number 40. 40 into next number 41. 40 into 41 by 2. Simply by using calculator. 1 to 100. 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 100. Last number 100. Next number 101 by 2. 50. Likewise you can tell. This I will teach formula 1. What is natural series, arithmetic series, geometric series, natural series. We have a chapter. Arithmetic progression, geometric progression. At that time I will teach. Formula I will give. 3 formula I will give. Natural number 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, n square. What is the answer? 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, n cube. 3 series you should know. Natural series, squares of the natural numbers and cubes of the natural numbers. You accept this answer. Final answer, preceding log quantity, first you have to indicate. Log quantity always lastly you have to write final answer. While writing the final answer, log quantity should be shown last. This you can show first. Base is not given. If you have a doubt side, you write. In the final answer, if you want, you write. In the final answer, log should be shown at the end. At the end or as a last. Now you go through entire steps, you go through. Whenever you have a doubt on this, you indicate what's the doubt you have. So whenever I ask you to raise your doubt on logarithm, at the time you can indicate. Sometimes you will forget. Today you will have a doubt. If you do not record it at the course of time, you will forget. What exactly is the doubt we had? That is immediately